Whenever I see girls and boys hanging lanterns on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their heart. Let's light our Christmas tree. Light tomorrow. In God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. And you guide us as another New Year
Oh, you
starts.
have to sing too, Danny.
Nana.
Danny.